Parkinson disease is characterized by tremor at rest, bradykinesia, rigidity, loss of postural reflexes, flex posture, freezing or motor blocks. The term Parkinsonism is used when patient has one or more of the features which have been described above. Two of these features, at least one should be tremor at rest or bradykinesia should be present. When two of these features are present, the patient is said to be having definite Parkinsonism. Parkinson disease makes 80% of Parkinsonism and prevalence is 160 per 1 lakh people. The incidence being 20 per 1 lakh per year. Prevalence at age 70 is 550 per 1 lakh people. The mean age is 56 years in both sexes. Young onset Parkinsonism is labeled when patient is having Parkinsonism before the age of 40 years. Parkinsonism is twice more common in men. Family history increases risk of Parkinson disease and mutations occur in 5 to 40% patients. And these mutations lead to disease by gene environment and gene-gene interactions. Pathogenesis. Parkinson disease results from degeneration of dopamine producing neurons within pars compacta of substantia nigra and norepinephrine cells of locus coeruleus in brainstem. Non-motor manifestations: impaired olfaction, autonomic dysfunction, constipation, orthostatic hypotension, sleep disturbance, REM behavior disorder, alterations in mood and cognition may precede motor signs. And these result from involvement of neurons outside substantia nigra, like medullary and olfactory nuclei. Pathologic hallmark of Parkinson disease is eosinophilic cytoplasmic inclusions called Lewy bodies. When 60% of dopaminergic neurons in substantia nigra are lost, then patient develops symptoms and signs of Parkinson disease. At this stage, basal ganglia dopamine level has dropped by 80%. Mutation in 6 genes SNCA, LRRK2, PRKN, DJ1, PINK1 and ATP13A2 cause familial Parkinsonism. There are 3 genes which is MAP2, LRRK2 and SNCA and loss of function mutations in GBA that lead to susceptibility for the Parkinson disease. These genes encode proteins such as alpha-synuclein, Parkin and DJ1 which are involved in folding, trafficking, clearance of intracellular proteins and maintenance of mitochondrial function. Mutations lead to mishandling of intracellular proteins, increased oxidative stress, free radical formation and energy depletion, oxidative damage leading to cell death. Parkinson disease results from spread of alpha-synuclein from one neuron to another in a manner resembling behavior of prions. There is no known prevention for Parkinson disease, but monoamine oxidase B inhibitors, coenzyme Q10, vitamin E, creatine, isradipine are said to delay the progression of Parkinson disease. The onset of Parkinson disease is usually unilateral, and first of all it is tremor 4 to 6 cycles per second. It is the presenting symptom in 70% patient. It is mostly in one limb, unilateral, for months or years, over time generalized to all limbs, usually distal limbs, lips, tongue, jaw, trunk. Tremor disappears with action of involved limb and re-emerges with maintained posture. Stress, excitement, walking increase tremor. Bradykinesia increase to slowness in activities of daily living, production of movement, reaction time, lack of automatic movement. Impaired fine motor movements, loss of facial expression, reduced arm swing when walking, and flex posture. Reduced amplitude of movement with repetitive movements such as finger or toe tapping, hypomimia, decreased facial expression, decreased blink rate, loss of facial gestures, quiet voice, hypophonia, tachyphemia, cyalloria, micrographia, difficulty rising from a seated position. Rigidity is uniform, sustained resistance throughout the range of passive movement. Cogwheel rigidity is the term used when tremor is superimposed on rigidity. Rigidity can occur at all the joints of body such as neck, shoulder, hips, distally at elbow, wrist, knee, ankle. Shoulder pain stiffness can be the frequent initial manifestation, and it is misdiagnosed as rotator cuff injury or arthritis bursitis. Loss of postural reflexes is a sign of advancing disease. Spontaneous retropulsion, inability to maintain balance when pulled from behind. Latropulsion can occur due to asymmetric rigidity. Freezing refers to brief episodes of inability to initiate stepping. It may prove resistant to levodopa treatment. Freezing is also called motor bullocks. Motor bullocks occur on initiation of walking, turning, walking through narrow passages, crossing streets, approaching a destination or target such as chair. Inability to move their feet as if feet are stuck to ground, lasting seconds. Freezing that occurs early or predominantly in course of disease should raise suspicion of atypical Parkinson syndrome. Fascination occurs during walking. Patient takes faster and faster steps and step size becomes smaller. Fascination is a tendency to run. Freezing, fascination, loss of postural reflexes are causes of falling in patients with Parkinson disease. Non-motor manifestations are depression, anxiety, impaired olfaction, constipation, akathisia, REM behavior disorder, cognitive changes, bradyphrenia, prolonged time to verbalize thoughts, dementia in 20 to 40%, personality changes, depression, reduced attention span, visuospatial impairment, sensory symptoms like pain, burning, tingling, autonomic disturbance like constipation, impotence, low blood pressure, and inadequate bladder emptying.